I want to say we appreciate our ironclad friendship, that we like Chinese people, that we want to see more Chinese tourists, more Chinese investors, more Chinese people coming to our country, that we are profoundly grateful to China for being with us during difficult times.
That is the first we will.
新时代命运共同体的欧洲国家，是中国在东南欧地区的重要伙伴。在两国领导人战略引领下，近年来中塞关系
在今后两国合作的发展过程中，我想可以向两个方向共同推进，就是基础设施建设领域，还有创新科技、生物医药、人工智能、机器人等领域齐头并进。通过这次访问，我想会进一步激发和调动两国企业互相开展合作交流的这种热情。